Yeah, come in. Hey, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Alright, so we're gonna skip all the and we're just gonna get straight to this box right here. So this is what you came to see right now. It's the Asset S912, 3 gigs of RAM, S912 processor, dual band Wi-Fi, gigabyte Ethernet. This is the box you need. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up right now, just so you can see everything that it comes with. So there's the actual unit right there. It does got gigabyte Ethernet, HDMI. It has 2 USB ports on it, and as well as a micro SD on the side. In the box, you're gonna get the manual. So quick startup, how to hook it up to your TV and stuff, explanation of your ports, and the remote control. All right, so inside the box, HDMI cable, you have your power adapter, and then you have the remote control. So a cool thing about this remote control is that you can program it to your television. So you can put your input in there, you got your volume up and down, power for your television. Instructions are right there in the back. Maybe we'll go ahead and make a video. If you want to see a video for how to go ahead and hook this up to your television, comment below and we'll make it for you. So that's pretty much it. That's what's in the box. So I guess the only thing left to do is just show you how this thing works. So I'm going to put a link for a video right here to show you how to install the Kodi No Limits Wizard. And don't forget to check out all our other great videos to get your box up and running 100%. And we were glad to be of assistance. Make sure that you like and share our videos. And definitely make sure that you hit that red subscribe button and turn your notifications on so you can tell when we upload our latest videos. We definitely appreciate you watching. We're waiting on your comments below. And as always, have a great day.